Hello friends, welcome back to TESTOFF channel. The correct answer will be shown 15 seconds after the question. You can pause the video if this time is not enough for you. Don't forget to share your results in the comments below the video. Subscribe to TESTOFF channel and share this video with your friends. Tom has drunk too much water. There are dark clouds in the sky. It is going to rain soon. There are 2 cars near our house. Which is yours? This car is broken. It needs to be repaired. Mary couldn't find anybody who could help her open the window. Anna was born in 2000. He's much happier than before. Which will you choose, this red dress or the green one? Mike is meeting his relatives this weekend. They have an arrangement. When will he come? I don't know. I thought he would come at 11 o'clock.